Yeah, good evening, everyone. We let me introduce with our panelists, dear Mr. Vineet Raj Kapoor. He's one of the eminent personalities in the design field. Uh, whoever wants, I mean, say he's such an eminent personality that in case you want to ask him any question, I mean, say he's always ready. He has been career counseling so many people on Shiksha.com and other so many career counseling websites. You can also contact him on vineetrajkapoor.com. In any case, you can always search for him on LinkedIn, Insta. He's a very social media active person. Our second panelist is Neelu Kapoor, who is co-founder of Chandigarh Design School. She's been into this field, into education, parting since last 22 decades more. Let's say 2 decades plus. We have Pankaj Sajowalia, who is a very elite UI UX designer from NID. He's also with us. I'm Bikramjeet. Of course, I forgot to introduce myself first, but then I'll be helping you in every field. I'll be answering you for every query regarding the Go event, Go 48 event, and all its challenges. So all the I'll first ask Mr. Vineet Raj Kapoor to kindly uh, have a word with us and let us know, I mean, say, what he thinks about Go 48 and what has been the history and all. So let's welcome Mr. Vineet Raj Kapoor.
Hello.
Ji Vineet ji, most welcome.
Hi. Thank you. Hi. Hi, everybody who's been excitedly waiting for the start of this event Go 48. It gives me immense pleasure to be allowed to introduce this event because at one time I was part of the team that imagined this event. This event was born out of a need to show or allow all of the artists to understand what their capabilities and capacities are. So the event has got two variants. One is 48-minute variant, another is 48 hours variant. So both have their reason to be in this time. The 48-minute variant allows a person to see how quick they are able to think. Unless given such a strong deadline, people allow themselves the leisure of all of the time available. So here is when you challenge yourself, you'll discover that you have got imminent speed of resolving a problem. And the 48 hour allows you a little more time, but of course the problem is bigger. So it allows you to see how much you can stretch yourself and still deliver solutions, viable solutions. Fine. So that is the philosophy behind Go 48, which was started in 2012, which is now being handled by Mr. Bikramjit and Madam Neelu. So I am happy that I was part of the initial panel, and I'll always be a part of this initiative. So there are 10 categories this year with 5 48-minute and 5 48 hours. Do not panic, but yes, you will have to meet the deadlines. You will be given 10 minutes because this is now an online phase. So you'll be given 10 minutes extra to upload your work to Google Drive and share it in email. Right? All of the things required will be there in uh, the paper shared with you, the description, the task description paper, which will be described during this presentation at the end. Right? And this will also be shared in a drive that also will be told to you at that stage. Fine. So
Vineet
I
ji,
think with this, I think I should hand over to the next person so that we can save time and move on through the entire proceedings. So best of luck, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Uh, I would request Neeluji if she can share some of her comments and some of her views with the live audience. Welcome, Neelu ma'am. There is an issue with the audio. I think you are muted right now.
Yes, yes. Hello, everybody. I hope everyone
Hello,
is
ma'am.
super duper excited. Okay,
I'm sure they are.
so let us begin. Before beginning, give me few minutes to explain what the philosophy of Skill Institute normal education program looks like. What they do, they arrange 6 assorted packs of information. You consume them one at a time. Even if you like one box, you're not allowed to consume that kind of boxes, and you can't even skip a box you dislike. So each box that you have is again an assortment of small dissimilar boxes. Again, you must consume the entire box without leaving out anything. Then they create a race. You're supposed to learn it like your teacher wants. Any show of creativity loses you the race. So, what do you think? Is there no way out? Is the education doomed? Well, till now it was. But now skill has been born. Skill is a new way of thinking about education. At Skill, what we believe, like each box is an assortment of linked topics. So no more soya sauce with pizza or mozzarella cheese with Szechuan noodles. So each box is like a complete cuisine you can savor. So you open the first box, which is graphics, and learn all connected skills. Now, when you finish that box, and if you liked it a lot and did well with it, you can get chosen by an industry partner from graphics who will look at your work and recommend us to let you continue savoring the higher version of the same box, while your friends would continue to the next box, that is filmmaking. Now, when we come to the end of the second box, you again get reviewed by the graphics industry partner who may recommend you for the third and the final round of learning at the highest end of the box by inviting you to learn with them and at their industry location and look at the entire delivery chain and learn the entire process of delivery from start to finish while working on real projects. And while this is going on, your not so lucky friends who had gone on to learn filmmaking may get to be reviewed by another industry partner from filmmaking background, say Mumbai, who will pick some of them to proceed to learn at level 2 at their vertical. So your friends may get picked up on to go to a location for a filmmaking set or a serial making set, learn the entire filmmaking process at their location and see themselves to be a part of the film industry. So the entire curriculum goes like this, and each student gets to know his best skill and an opportunity to learn it deeply. In case you are never good enough in any skill, worst come worst case. So you still end up learning what an ordinary franchise chain teaches you. Moreover, you have an opportunity to leave the course at any stage with no questions asked. You shall get the certification and the mark sheets till the stage you completed. Unlike other franchise chains which drop you out and do not issue you a certificate till you complete the entire curriculum. So this is what is the philosophy we believe in, we at Skill believe in. So I challenge you, if you find a better way to learn, we shall pay back you half of the fees at Skill. So with this, I pass on to the next person, and I wish you all the best. Over to Bikram.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I'll just share a quick video along with you guys, which is basically a teaser of the Go 48 we have done. I hope you are able to see my screen. Thank you very much. I'll be bringing in a little bit of clips in between the talks and everything, so that this session is, full of energy, and you are connected with us at all the times. So I'm moving on to the another session where I invite Mr. Pankaj Sejowalia, who is eminent faculty and a mentor with the Skill School of Experience. He will give a little bit of his views, his experience. He will share his experience regarding the topic, the eminent topic of graphic design. And I welcome Mr. Pankaj Sejowalia to share and put his thoughts on our table. Pankaj, you are most welcome. Sir, you will have to unmute yourself.
Right. Thank you, Vikram sir.
Ji.
Hello, everyone. Hello, all the participants and panelists. And let's start with, the theme of today, which is graphic design. So before we, get on to the Go 48 competition, let's understand a little bit about, this domain, which is graphic design. Let me just share my screen with all of you. So, for 15 years, I have been working in graphic design as a stream, and it's also known as visual communication. So it's one of the most interesting stream because it caters to different industries, right from entertainment to packaging to brand building. So I think let's start with an example and understand, at least some elements that are used and that makes brands successful. So I'm sure that all of you, know this personality, Steve Jobs, and the founder, chairperson of Apple. So, way back when Steve Jobs was a teenager, he was able to, learn calligraphy, and later he used calligraphy as different fonts for the Macintosh computers. That's how we got different font styles in a personal computer even before Windows could think about it. And so starting with, typefaces, and it's very important in your life, then whenever you participate in competitions, And whatever you're studying as design students or as designers or in different fields, it's important to connect the dots. So today we will understand how brands and stories are built. So I would give you one example because this is a brand, skill. And as Neelu ma'am also shared about skill as a teaching methodology and, being unique in the world. So what is important for us to understand here is how the design fundamentals are used to create this particular logo. So what you can see here in the center, and which takes away your attention and focuses in the center, is the X. So X has been derived from the nomenclature word K. So in skill we have K as a word, and the arrows, two arrows are balancing each other in the center, creating a symmetry. On the other hand, blue color is a very important color in the logo, which is associated with trust, which a brand needs, to deliver in terms of, education to the world. And another thing important is that the form and function of a brand logo is so essential that one has to think about the future. So if we look at skill as a logo, the X is used as any other famous brand, as we know as Facebook or Instagram and other brands. So this was a small case study which I felt I should share, because this is a new genre of logos. And we always look at classical logos and world logos of different companies. I thought we should share something that is new and that is going to change the way education is being provided in the world on different platforms. So moving on, so I would quickly share other things about graphic design. And I'm sure what I shared about brand logo design is also going to help you in your Go Graphics competition that is going to be announced today. So quickly moving through just a overview of graphic design. It's all about ideas and technology, how to use it with the customers. And it's also in print media, and how typefaces that we understood are used with the images, and it triggers emotions in the audience. This is another example of an illustrated book cover, and a poster, and all the movie posters, and there are a lot of graphic designers are used, and it's a great course and a great field to pursue. Moving on to online paradigms, that nowadays, especially in this year, the online platforms have become one of the great attractions for all the audience, for the youth as well as for the entire TV audience. So you will see that how the logos reflect the first impression of the services offered by Netflix or Disney Hotstar. And so I think I wanted to keep it brief so that we can move ahead with our event. And all the best to all the participants. And thank you, everyone. Over to you, Vikram sir.
So hopefully the graphics page has been thoroughly studied out by you guys. Okay, this is the fun part. So yes, please start the video, please. I would request Neelu ma'am to kindly present with the today's assignment, the problem statement, so that everyone can know what they are going to do with the in the assignment and the challenge. Ma'am, are you online, please? Shall we
Yes,
begin?
yes.
Gigi, please.
I am able to see
So
your
you'll be.
screen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
G, please.
yeah. So should I start?
Sure, ma'am. Please go ahead. If you're running
So
out
the
of time.
Go48 graphics event problem statement. The total time given is 48 minutes. Upload time is 10 minutes extra. Okay. So the problem is, like, this statement would be available online also, that would be uploaded. But I'm just reading it what the statement is, like what you have to do. A design training school into formal design education finds a typical situation due to COVID. Fine. A lot of people aged 30 to 50 years had lost their jobs and wanted to retrain themselves to be able to gainfully employ. So these people were neither interested in degrees nor had time to learn a lot of things. So they wanted to pick and choose their curriculum and still expected to be certified. So the school shortlisted two names, wildcard entry and career boot. So these are the two names to address this audience and its typical needs. So you can choose the name that you think fits the need best and create a logo for it. You should also write a short rationale for your decision. Like, why did you choose this font? Why did you choose this color? Okay. The judgment rubrics would be originality 20%, color usage 20%, typography usage 20%, appeal 20%, and rationale 20%. You shall submit the logo on the sheet provided at the link given and upload it on your Google Drive and share the same with us at go48challenge@gmail.com. We encourage you to also upload the same on your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and other handles, and tag us as well. And also tag your college as well as your mentor, if any. We would happily add 1 mark for this in case of a tie. Fine. All the links are given in the sheet that would be uploaded. The best works shall be uploaded later by the organizers on the Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest handles and tagged back in case it was tagged by you. The winner of all the individual 48 minutes events would be awarded a 640p Huon pen tablet. Okay, and a certificate would also be provided. Participation certificates would be given to all participants who submit on time. All work becomes the property of the Go48 organizers and associates. The problem statements are real and designed by the industry. So just in case any logo, irrespective of its rank or standing, is found to appeal to the problem statement providers, a token of appreciation would be paid to the designer and a separate certificate of appreciation would be issued to them. Fine. Do not put your name or any identification in front of the artwork. You have to save the file name as given in the sheet, like go48 2020 underscore logo 48 underscore your name underscore your city underscore your country dot png. Fine. Any question you can ask. All the best.
Thank you very much, ma'am. If you could please end your share screen, I would guide the participants further. Okay, thank you. I hope everyone has gone through the page, rules and regulations of go48.in. In case not, please go through it again. You will find the same information, whichever Nilu ma'am has explained to you or told you in that page. Just in any case, the important part on the rules page, I have made it bold, which will be very much peculiar with the submissions, so that you don't make any kind of mistake with those. And the important line, the logo and other required files can be downloaded from the following path. So on the same path of the Google Drive, you will find, let me just show you. You will see this. So for today's competition, you have to download the template file, and somebody who is going to draw it with pencil shall print this and then draw it with pencil on this. Who is going to use the digital pen can directly draw on the same file and put in the background this file as a template. I hope you can always ask for your questions. Yes, I've already started receiving the questions. Oh, I'm sorry, it's from the panelist only. All the attendees, please you can shoot your questions, please, so that we can help you. Already 10 minutes here. This much time to you. So in case we are going to begin at 5:15, so we'll be sparing the I repeat, you have to send, you can use, okay, one more important thing. You can use file support, what do you call those? File transfer systems, online file transfer systems like WeTransfer or Dropbox or any other Google Drive or anything else, and share the link along with us on Go48. If you can see the chat box, Mr. Vineet Kapoor has already pasted it. Go48challenge@gmail.com. And the bit.ly link for the all the document files. I think Sharanjit Kaur, you have got your answer. And Ishan Sambi, yeah, both the templates are same. One is horizontal and one is vertical, so you can use any. Okay, I repeat the submissions. Use the templates, either horizontal or vertical. Show your creativity with the challenge. Submit it. Use the file transfer systems like WeTransfer, Google Drive, Dropbox, and submit your submissions on go48challenge@gmail.com. Post that, you have to upload it on your Instagram or LinkedIn or whatever account you have and tag it back to us.